Here's how to set up a strength test on your ActivForce app. Hit Start Test. From the configuration screen, select Strength under Type, then choose the side, joint, movement, and position. You can also name your test to make it easier to find in the dashboard later. Click Start Test again when you're done. Select the device you want to pair and press Done. There will first be a short calibration period. Avoid pressing or moving the device to ensure accurate readings. Data capture will start after the 3-second countdown. You can adjust the duration of the test in your app settings. Once the test is complete, the graph will instantly display the results. Strength tests display the maximum force and time to peak force achieved during the test. These metrics can highlight strength gains, identify asymmetries, and guide progression planning from session to session. From the summary page, you can repeat or redo the test, compare sides, adjust the setup, or save to the dashboard. Click on Save once you're done testing. There you can edit the test name, which will appear on the dashboard, and add a test subject identifier to view progress tracking. Click Done to save. View the full session report on the web dashboard. Use objective strength data to support confident evaluation and measurable outcomes. For measuring range of motion data with ActivForce, check out our video on setting up a range of motion test. For more detailed guides, visit our tutorials page on ActivForce.com.